So a few days ago, I went to Five Below store, and I looked at the stuff they had on sale, and lo and behold, I found a Bluetooth wireless keyboard, a slimline keyboard. And I thought, what the hell? For $5, I might as well check it out. And basically, it's compatible with both PCs and Macs, as well as phones and tablets. It only requires a 2 AAA battery, and like all Bluetooth, it's wireless. And then up towards the top, you have the hotkeys, in which, if you were to activate the Bluetooth keyboard, you simply press this button below, F9, and then the hotkey, and it'll take you to wherever task you want it to do. So, unfortunately, I've got this keyboard because my JetTech 2155 keyboard was having issues. Various keys were not responding. It was a shame because I've had it for over a year without any hiccups. The JetTech Jellycomb and Bathtop Bluetooth keyboards run about $13 to $15 on Amazon. But unfortunately, they have like a shelf life of about 3 to 6 months, or at least that's my luck. So I'm hoping this keyboard lasts about 6 months at least. So I'm going to take it out of the package and kind of do like a mock. I put it back in the package just for, cinematic purposes, but this is what you'll get when you take it out. I already put the Bluetooth batteries in there. It doesn't have very much casing or anything like that. You just slip this out, and there you have it. It's my first impression is very much like the ones I bought on Amazon for 75% more. It's distributed by Five Below Merchandising, but it's made in China. Apparently, this is the model number, the BK 3001. But I've already tested it out with the phone, and the thing is, when you try to pair it, it's simply called a Bluetooth keyboard. It has no brand name on it or anything to really identify it outside of just the fact that it's Bluetooth. So since we already have the Bluetooth on, I'll show you. You gotta press the on button right there. Make sure you have your batteries in here. Well, I can tell you it's already in there. And then you're gonna press the connect button. Find it. And it'll be flashing blue. Here's the phone I'm going to pair it with. So I go to settings, and then you said okay. I'm going to go to Bluetooth, and then do a simple search. Well, I already did a search before I started making this video, so that's the Bluetooth keyboard. So we're going to click the Bluetooth keyboard icon, and it requires a pairing request keyboard type. So I'm going to type in 1 7 4 5 2 4, and then press enter. And let's see. There you have it. It's already connected. So I'm going to go back, and I'll see how it responds with a keyboard app that I use. I use External Keyboard Helper to launch applications quicker and more efficiently rather than scrolling with my thumb through several pages of apps. I can do it through a hotkey or a key combination of like 2 to 3 keys. So I'm going to go to Language and Input. And then, okay, I already got External Keyboard Helper Pro. I'll just click off that for a second and click back on it. Yes, I want to do that. And then default keyboard. So just to see if it's running, I'm going to do an Alt K, which gets to my External Keyboard Helper layouts. And there you go. Looks like it's running good. Let's see if it pairs down. And then I'm going to open a stopwatch. Let's try this out. Open another app. Alright, everything seems to be pretty cool. And then I'll open a music app, audio poop. Oops. Let's see what else. Let's try the basic typing out. Going to WPS Office. Let's see. Type in my name. Yeah, it's a nice feel to it. It's looks like it's a good quality keyboard, and all for $5 with taxes, only $5.50. So go down to check out a Five Below store if you have the chance. It's a steal pretty much. You're gonna spend the same amount of money, or even like much more money, to get like a Bluetooth keyboard that's essentially made in China, the same way that probably this keyboard's made in China. But you don't have to pay and wait online to buy it, and then have it crash on you after the first 3 months. I'm hoping this thing will last at least 6 months. I'll try to take as best care of it as I can. And the keys were very quiet to type on, and the good thing is you can actually leave the keyboard on, and it has an excellent energy efficient sleeping mode. So then right when you click a key, it only takes about 5 seconds or so for the phone to realize that to reconnect back the Bluetooth back to the keyboard to respond back. Anyways, that's just my opinion and review about the wireless keyboard from Five Below. Nice.